Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, and I'm planting onions today. So I was going to show y'all how it says. I've never planted onions before, so I read up on it. And it says to dig a trench all the way down the center and plant your onions on both sides of the trench. It said to space them 4 inches, but I believe I'm going to space them at least 6. So, you never know how big they're going to get. So I need to fertilize. All I have is 10, 10, 10. The only reason I got that is because it was cheap. $5 a bag, you can't beat it. 40-pound bag at that. Anyway, we're going to fertilize this baby. Let's sprinkle some fertilizer in that trench. Since it's only 10, 10, 10, I'm going to do it kind of heavy. I think I better water this in too before I plant. I don't know. I probably will. It's supposed to rain today. I might just wait. Go ahead and plant and let it rain on it. I've never planted onions, so this is going to be my first time experience, y'all. So don't be scared to do something. And I can't believe it said to go ahead and plant them in November. Today's my birthday, so it's the 21st. So just rake it over. Like so. Now, I'm going to use this as measuring. Let me get these onions ready. Y'all hang in there with me. These are short day samplers, it says. They're purple onions. I hope. They don't look like it. I could be wrong. Pull some of these babies out. I got more than I can handle here. I might have to give some to my brother and let him plant them. Oh, it says 1 inch. That's about that deep. But the dirt keeps falling back on me. No, that's awful far apart. That's at least a foot apart. I might be able to get 3 rows in here. What do y'all think? Just move it over some. Put that in there. I don't know. I'll just keep going with 2 rows. I probably should wet this soil a little bit before we get started. Oh well, I'm gonna plant these onions and I'll be right back, y'all. Well, I'm back. I got the onions planted in one planter, not both. The sun has come out, so it's gonna get hot. It's supposed to be 80 today before the cold front gets here. That's why we all stay sick. 40 degrees difference in temperature all the time. Anyway, got my shadow in it. I think I got about 40 planted in this planter. I haven't planted in the other planter yet. I'm gonna plant the Texas 1015 in that other planter. So I'll get back with y'all after I get them planted. Let you know how it's going. Hopefully I'm doing it the right time of the month. I might go ask my brother when he plants his. I didn't bother. So see y'all in a little bit. Well, everybody, I got the raised beds cleaned out and the onions planted. This is the let me find a name, the 1015 Texas sweet onion. And all these are from Dixon Dale onion supplier. That's where I bought my bulbs. And this bed is where the okra was. I planted the Southern Belle Reds.
Oh, so these are red onions.
Yeah, I got some red onions.
All right.
Then the other planter over there, which I already showed, has the short day samplers. Here you go. That's what they're called. They got, Brandy, they got a bunch of different names for onions. But I'm not going to water it too much because it's supposed to 60% chance of rain today. And look at Autumn, she found peppers. That girl can find peppers anywhere. Huh? Come here. Come here. Hey, thank y'all for liking our video. Autumn, tell them hi.
Hi.
Give them a shoe kiss. Give them a kiss. That's onions. I'll just put them there, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now tell them bye.
Bye.
Say I love you. Ah.
Autumn, tell Daddy happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tell Daddy happy birthday.
Is it my birthday? My birthday? Oh. Okay, we got to tell them bye. Hey, we love y'all. Please subscribe. Say, please subscribe. Say good job.
Say good job.
Good job. And we love y'all. Please like, share, subscribe, and we're going to make more videos. Bye, y'all.